Okay, I don't know the lyrics. Hi! My name's Louisa. If you're new, if you're not, thanks for coming back. Okay. If you are new, no, I'm not ZHAVIA. I feel so weird saying that because like I don't know how I'm gonna explain all of this, but if you're new to my channel, you should stay. You should probably subscribe. It's not like I post anyway, so I won't be annoying you with post notifications or whatever, because like I never post. Hi, just here to warn you that the next clip you're about to see, just to prepare yourself, because I filmed 2 intros. The one you just saw after I did my makeup, and now the one you're about to see before I did my makeup. And I look terrible. So don't be shocked, you'll get used to it. Okay, bye. I'm gonna explain. I'm like super sick right now. Can you
tell?
Oh, let me explain like 2 things.
Hi.
You know what? Let me clean up my room or something. So, I currently have like 15,000 pimples on my face because I have a cold. Like we all know, Louisa, I mention it in every video, I look like trash. Yeah. Another reason why I wanted to do like a makeup tutorial, because I want to cover up this mess. I just wanted to quickly explain my room. I have a lot of things to explain, but like this isn't a mukbang. People aren't here to hear me complain about my life. They're here to understand why I look like ZHAVIA. I don't have answers to either of those. Everyone asking for a room tour just to squash that. I haven't done a room tour yet or ever because my room is always like a work in progress. It's on the bottom of my to-do list, but it is on there. It's not at what I would like it to look like. I don't want to make a video showing it at its like you know, that's that. Let's get into the video before I hate myself in the future for letting me speak through so much of a video without having anything on my face. Ooh, that made no sense. I hope I cut that out. The one day out of like the whole year I look good, I'll take a picture and I'll post it on my Instagram. And then all the other days I just look really bad. So it just sets a really bad standard. Okay, so I'm going to be doing another ZHAVIA thing. I get so many comments about like anything ZHAVIA related, and like I don't even get that many comments like ever. So when I say so many comments, I mean like out of the amount of comments I get, majority are like ZHAVIA comments. Are you her sister? Or I've had literally everything. Literally everything. I even had people DMing me thinking I was ZHAVIA, going like, oh ZHAVIA, I love your song Candlelight. I'm like,
I'm not ZHAVIA.
But alas, here we are. I'm doing this again because the first one was kind of a success, I guess. Time for an upgrade. I actually have contacts this time that make my eyes more brown because my eyes are light brown, so, and hers are like black. I have some contacts from TTDI. I love their contacts. They're like the only ones I ever use when it comes to like colors. I have so much to do. Okay. This is gonna be like a chit chat transformation. Chit chat transformation? Hang on. I just thought transformation started with a CH. I was gonna be like, I'm onto something. I'm like, no. No, you're not, Louisa. You're just... So I'm gonna put these in. I am moisturized, which is why I'm looking so
shiny.
Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun because I don't have dreadlocks. Oh, ah. I can't even hide behind my hair anymore now. Anyway, no one like cares. Like, no one asked. Like, what? Are you okay, Louisa? Clearly not. I'm like, not okay. Ah, no! Oh! It's falling apart. Ugh. As you can kind of see, that was kind of rough. Okay, now that you guys have seen me at my worst, I hope you can appreciate me at my best. Foundation. I don't have foundation. I should. I really should. So I'm gonna put up the pictures that I just looked through right now while I put this on so you guys can see who ZHAVIA is. Again, there was only one picture where I saw that I was like, okay, that's kind of Sister Spooky. That it, like when I saw it on my feed, I was like, that's me, but I didn't, but it's not me. And I'll put that one up right now. So like I looked at it and I was like, that's sort of scary. But other than that, I didn't think I looked like her. I mean, maybe just like a little, but like not even. But I was clearly wrong according to every single person who watched that video. Okay, hi, I know I'm making the video like even longer than it needs to be. But I didn't understand. Like, I didn't see one comment on that video that said, oh, you don't look like her, why are you making this video? Like, every single comment, I was like so expecting negativity. Because people get so triggered when you do like transformations and stuff. They're always like, you know, like, are you trying to copy them? Like, ugh. I was stunned. And I don't know. That's okay. Sorry. This is like literally, like, no one cares. Sorry. Bye. Oh, I said I don't have foundation. I don't. It's like this is like a CC cream. I mention it in every like makeup video I do. It's a CC cream from Airborne, and Charlotte got it for me. I still haven't figured out how to use it correctly, but that doesn't stop me. Does it now? My skin is so bad recently. I hate it. I hate that. Okay, a good thing is she's really white as well, so I don't have to worry about like tanning. So I got whole color. Is that better? I don't care. That is like the worst thing I could have done. Wow. So I'm just gonna use a Tarte Shape Tape, even though I never use it. I don't know. I never really use makeup anymore. Sorry, butting in this, but this picture here, I was literally like looking for, because I'm editing right now, and I was looking for pictures to put on this video, and I come across this one that I've never seen before. Are you kidding? I have those shoes! And the reason why I'm like literally so freaked out is because I've never seen anyone wear these shoes. Whenever I Google them, like, it's like some super long name. It's apparently like limited edition or whatever. I like just stumbled across them in like a Nike factory outlet store for, you know, like I found them in the, like, they don't sell these in normal Nike stores. So when I saw this, I'm like, are you kidding? Like, is this a joke? And I don't own shoes. Like, these are the only like flex shoes that I own. So this is, I'm not okay. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. I'm actually way more active on there. Comment down below where you're from. Okay, ew, you can see like the eyebrows and how they didn't turn out very well. Oh, snap. camera's out of battery. I'm gonna put it to charge and I'm gonna like finish the eyes. Okay, so hi, I'm back. I put my camera to charge, so my ears are blocked. Oh, I don't know how to unblock my ears like normal. So what I did, basically, I did the eyes. I finished like the eye makeup, which you basically saw what I did on top, but all I did was I put some under eye shadow. And in the picture that I was like following, she does have eyeliner in her waterline, but I was kind of, I don't think it's that flattering. And then like right now I was like halfway through contouring the nose. Her nose is so small and cute, unlike mine. So gotta work with what I have, and I just made my nose look bigger. That's not the goal. Shining like a light. You know, you guys, I would really love it if she noticed me.
That would be fun.
She has like a bit of a butt chin, or like a dimple in her chin. I don't know what to say that to. I just don't want to be rude. I'll do that later. What? Lips. Did you know that she has a brother? I saw a picture she posted and I was like, who's that guy? And it's her brother. I didn't know she had a brother, so. Her lip shape is quite similar to mine. But I think I have a pretty standard lip shape, so. Iced coffee. So good. This new place opened. It's called Muffin Break in where I live. Oh, their iced coffees are so good. Honestly, it has more caffeine than like the Starbucks or Costa ones do. So I get like super like hyper. So I'm just adding bronzer. I don't know. I never really like, okay, on my day-to-day, like I said, I don't really wear makeup. So I don't really have a preferred way to like wear things. Bronzer is something I like hardly ever use. Oh, this is so good. Where was I? Lips. Do we think the lips are accurate? I might take some like selfies or something. I'll try like recreate her pictures, and if I do end up doing that, I'll enter them like here. Okay, let me like film an intro and an outro. Okay, so if you made it to the end of this video, I don't understand how. I don't know if like my powers of editing managed to save the like hours of filming that went into this. Probably didn't. I just realized I didn't like contour or like actually bronze. I'm not okay. Okay, hi, editing Louisa's back, and every day my nails get crustier, so that's fun. Also, this video went on way longer than I wanted it to, but I literally didn't know how to cut it down. What was I saying? Hang on, I'll be right back. Oh yeah, I keep saying that.
Oh my god, the amount of times I've said, am I okay? Am I not okay? I'm not okay.
That's like so annoying. I'm so sorry. But I really can't be honest to go through this whole thing again to take out every time I said, am I okay? So, live with it. I'm sorry. Bye.
I don't see it!
I like, when I look at her, I can kind of see it, but when I look at me, I can't see it. Is that weird? Okay, well, that was that. If you liked this video, or you want me to do more transformations, like get back into doing transformations if you like when I do them, like either like this video or like comment down below whether you or who you think I look like so I can try and recreate their look. And hopefully by then I'll figure out some way to light my videos correctly. I'm so sorry about my lighting. I really am. Oh my god, it's out of focus. Oh, I am a mess. It's probably not even that bad. I hope it's not that bad. I'm sorry if it is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and follow me on Instagram if you want to talk to, DM me. I always reply to my DMs 100%, always. Please don't like text me every single day, and it's not that I don't want to be rude about it or anything. Just like pop in to say hi, ask me whatever question you want me to answer. My ears are blocked. I think I just unblocked it. That looked really wrong. I'm so sorry. Something else as well. Ew, I look like a middle-aged mum, like, that hosts a book club and has flat hair that's, like, kind of, ew. Okay. So, ew. That just made whatever was going on even worse. I'll do a middle part. No. No. Middle parts make me look like Snape, so maybe it's best if I leave it up. I did want to sing like her song for this video, but I'm sick, so that was sibilance. Wow, it got worse. It like non-reusable straw. What? No, it's like made out of wax or something. Like bye, I guess. Ew.